These websites will actually make you rich within a week of working with them, and I'm just going to show you how it works. It's a content writing website, and all you have to do is to write for them, and they pay you for writing for them. So, how do you get started with them? You just have to come to the website called Content Writers, contentwriters.com. I'm going to leave the link to the website in the description below. So after you click on the link, it's going to take you to this place. Then you scroll down to the bottom and come to this place where it says writer sign up. You are not an editor. I'm not talking about the editor part today, but click on this place where it says writer sign up. When you click on the writer sign up, it's going to take you to this page. So you're going to come to this place where it says sign up again, and you're going to come to this side and put in your information, your email address, your name. You're going to put a US phone number. If you don't have a US phone number, there's a link, there's a WhatsApp link in this video description. I'm going to get you a US WhatsApp phone number if you are interested, but note it's not free. It's not free, okay? But if you have one, you can use it by yourself. And I also have the free one I'm going to show you after this video. So if you don't have the money to pay for that, you can actually use the free version also. Now, your years of experience, choose 3 to 5. Highest degree, choose bachelor's degree. And it says, are you based in the US? Say yes. And also asking for a portfolio or your website URL. If you don't have a portfolio, you can actually leave that. Also here, it asks you to attach your resume. That means your it's like a work of experience file where it talks about you, your experience, your education, and all kind of stuff like that. But if you don't know how to create a resume, I can actually do that for you. All you have to do is just to click on the WhatsApp group link in this video description, join the WhatsApp group and message me. I'm going to send the resume that you are going to use. I'm going to send it for you. So, and put in your password, confirm your password, then click on sign up. Okay, I haven't put the resume, it doesn't accept the sign up, so let me just upload any file for the sake of this video. But in your own case, you have to upload the resume. But if you don't know or know how to get the resume, you can contact me through the group in this description, and I'm going to get you the resume you're going to use. And for the number also, I will show you the free site to get a free phone number to use shortly. So you have sign up. It says verify your email address. That's the number one step. So I'm going to go to the template that I used. I've got the email here. I'm going to click on the verification link. So now I've verified my email address. Next step is to accept the terms and conditions. So you are going to read the terms and conditions here, read everything. If you're interested, then click on I agree to the terms and conditions. Now if I agree to the terms and conditions, next step is to do the English proficiency test. These are just simple questions you can answer by yourself. So after answering all these questions, you are going to submit your answers, and the next step is to apply to a specialty. The next page is to apply for a specialty. You're going to choose on what you'll be writing for them, and after that they're going to review your application and get you approved. Then you can start writing with them. And these are just the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 steps you need to take to start working with this website. So concerning the number that you're going to use, there's a website called OKSMS. So this is OKSMS. It gives you free number for online verification sake. So now once you get to the website, you're going to choose a US phone number here. So when you choose the US phone number, you are going to choose from the list it's provided to you. To whichever one you are interested in taking, you're just going to click on receive SMS. And after you click on receive SMS, you are going to copy the number. And when you copy the number, you paste it where you are going to do your application. And I've already done that for you in this video. So once it's your own time to apply to this website, this is what you are going to use: oksms.org. I'm going to leave the link in the description also. So once they send you a verification code or whatever, this is where you are going to receive your code here. So this is a website that other people are also using, so you have to be aware of the website you are using it for, and the code, and the time you are getting your own code. You can see that this is someone else that have already used the number, and this is another person that owns this code that has used the number. So you just have to be aware of what you are doing and the website you are using it for. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe to this channel for more. Thank you.